Today I am going to cover this question regarding the following case citation, which is listed here, Miller versus Miller. And the question is, in which regional reporter is this case published? In order for us to answer this question, we first need to know how to read this citation. So we will go over to reading a state case citation. This example is State versus Owens, which is the title. The first number we come to is going to be the reporter volume. The next one we come to is, which is the Southwest, is the reporter title. So we know that Southwestern is the reporter, but we also need to know the edition because there's more than one. So our next number, which is 3D, is the reporter edition. So we know that for State versus Owens, we are looking in the Southwestern Reporter, 3rd edition, 20th volume. And then here we have the page 634. So for this particular question, we know we are looking in the Southwestern 3rd edition Reporter for this case. So right from there, we can eliminate this answer, we can eliminate this answer, and eliminate this answer. So we have the 3rd edition of the Southwestern, the 3rd edition of the Miller, or the 3rd edition of the Southern. So we see here Southwestern. So the correct answer would be the 3rd edition of the Southwestern Reporter.